And we're live. Hey, it's Brady and his Wall Street Journal again. I was just looking at the Wall Street Journal recently and noticed Chinese retailer tries heavy duty drones. This is JD.com that we're talking about. They want to be able to fly drones around that can deliver products that weigh up to 1 ton. I don't know about y'all, but that don't seem like a good idea. I can only imagine stuff falling from the sky. Could you imagine if this was back in the day and some of our native folks in different lands saw this thing flying? They would really think it was a UFO. Clearly. So we are in some interesting times, and I think they should probably limit the size of stuff because if that falls, I don't think it's going to be covered by insurance. I don't see any of the companies I represent. They will find a way not to cover that. But hey, we got to keep it light. Go to BradyTolliver.com, grab a book or